Hey guys, welcome back in a technology welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how you will address any kind of error on your iOS system. So as we know that iOS system is working on Apple device, either it's your iPhone, iPad, Apple TV. So let's have a here one iPhone device and how you will address various kind of the issues by using one tool. So this tool is here. See guys, ULT phone iOS system repair. Here we can address 150 issues by using this tool. So this tool will be operative on operating system Windows. So of course here 8.1 is working, but it can be functional in a Windows 10 also. So now see guys, at the moment just I have connected iPhone 7. Now if your device has been stuck on your exit mode, on a DFU mode, then of course you can exit. If you would like to push your device into the recovery DFU mode, of course you can by pressing here. So exit mode and of course into recovery mode, both we have, but here I will go for start to this one. Now see guys, here if your device has been stuck due to bug, due to a screen stuck, this time your device is not functional because of iOS mode is stuck, Apple driver error is due to iPhone error, iOS update problem. Any kind of the problem that can be fixed by using one click here. See if your device is now see disable mode, if your device is sound is not working, just it won't charge, it won't turn on, its hotspot is not working. So any kind of the more than 150 issues that can be addressed by see guys, here you need to select whatever issues that you would like to address, of course, but nothing, just you have to do just go for fix and it will start to it will start to download iOS according to automatically. It will test to which iOS is working and which can be a functional, and latest one iOS will be updated and it will fix the old kind of the error. So here guys, of course this is very easy way, by free of course you can address the old kind of the error or issues on your iOS system. Furthermore, any inquiry related to this software, of course you can raise the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible, and of course you will be able to click by one click to download it below the description box guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, any inquiry, please raise a query below the comment box. We will address together all the issues. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.